Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.